In addition to importing your current franchise territories, you can also import your accounts or different account segments. Like this example, I've got key accounts, current accounts, and leads imported. So if I lasso out an area on the screen, so here I'm lassoing Atlanta, you can see the total sales for my lassoed selection. When I let go, you'll see the totals of all the data sets that I've imported. We can also view all the different accounts that are imported and then sort them by the different types of segments. Using the Touch Align tool, I can then make changes to my territories. Any label that I have set, for example, now I see my total sales by account summed up to the territory level. As I make changes to my territories, you get instant feedback showing you how those changes impact the territories that you're coloring in. So if you expand a territory, you're making one go up in sales and another one goes down. You can display any sort of numeric data as a data level, whether it's account data linked to individual accounts on the screen, or demographic data that's linked to either zip codes or FIPS codes, which are counties.